Hello everybody, Emad Joker 100 here. Today guys, welcome back to Twitch on YouTube Gamings. So we are reacting on in a vlog video. That's very scary because I just saw it with my friends is Hutcheswell Gamings and Jacob White, and they reacted on the Cat in the Hat and the vlog video. That's really creepy because I just saw it, but that's really scary because they ruined their childhoods right now because that's my favorite childhood ever. I really watch the Cat in the Hat movies because it's really good, but we're doing it on the vlogging all these videos. So let's get it reacting. So here we go. There's the hat. Oh my gosh.
Emily, sweetie, it's only 2 nights. The babysitter will be here any minute. Her name's Sarah. She's really nice.
Pick up the house phone if you need anything. And don't open the door for anyone you don't know. Understood?
Okay. Will you call me when you get there?
Of course we will. We love you.
Oh, that's
Be
so
good.
Emily. Is it very serious coming? What could that be? Oh, it's Cat in the Hat.
Well, hello. You must be Emily.
How do you know my name? Are you wearing a costume?
I'm not wearing a costume. I'm the Cat in the Hat. And yes, I know a lot of things. I'm here to make tonight really fun.
My parents don't let me talk to strangers. I'm waiting for the babysitter.
Oh, poor thing. Sarah had a little accident.
You got an accident?
Nothing serious, but she won't be able to make it. So they sent me instead. Isn't a talking cat way better than a boring babysitter?
Can you really talk?
I can do a lot more than talk. Will you let me in? I promise we're going to have fun.
Oh, that's a bunny.
Whoa! How did you do that? He's so pretty.
Just a little trick, see? Not alone anymore.
It's like a
Did you
princess
repaint it?
castle.
Magics?
How do you do that? Can you read minds?
Just a little. I know you like happy colors when you're scared, and I know you're scared of being alone. But you don't have to be anymore. I'm here to keep you entertained until your parents come back. Shall we play hide and seek? I'll count first.
Yeah!
They're
But
playing
no
hide seek.
cheating.
Alright, they're playing hide seek. So where is he hiding? Oh, closet.
Come on, you have to hide better than that.
What the heck? What is he hiding next? Oh, the other room. The shower?
Oh no, try harder next time.
Okay. Let's go hiding for. Oh, the bedroom. Okay. gosh.
This isn't fun if you don't hide properly, Emily.
Now I'm Simon. We're playing Simon Says.
All right, boss, you're in charge.
Simon Says, touch your hat. Simon Says, hop on one foot. Simon Says, pull a
Rainbow
rainbow
cat.
cat out of your hat. Sing! You lost, silly. I didn't say Simon Says.
Oh, how silly of me, little one. You win this round, little mouse. Time to smash some pinatas. This
Wait,
bat
that's
is
not pinata?
special. It hits really hard even if you don't swing strong.
What
Let's
was he
get
doing?
lots of candy.
Oh, darn it. Oh
Dad!
my god!
No! What?
That is his parents!
Surprise! I knew you missed them so much. I brought them back so you could play
How
with
did he
them.
get to those
Isn't that
parents?
wonderful?
You're a monster! You're a monster! Get out! Get out of my house!
You didn't like the trick? I thought it would make you.
Oh my gosh.
Now, let's play hide and seek. I chase, you hide.
No, you don't, cat! You don't find me! Oh my god, I see the dog. What the heck?
The doors and windows are gone.
Where is she? Oh, call 911.
Please, please.
911, where's your emergencies?
There's a monster in my house. You're my mommy and daddy. Please, come quick.
Calm down, sweetie. Stay calm. What's your name?
Emily Smith.
Good girl. Tell
The
me
monster captured my parents.
what happened.
And now he won't stop chasing me.
Alright, tell me his address, princess.
142.
No! Oh, not the telephone.
Let's play something else.
Oh, to his
mouse.
eyes.
A simple game. Rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors? Ah, come on, Emily. Ah, you did it again? Come on. Oh no. Oh, it's a trap.
Please stop!
Oh my gosh! Emily!
I can sleep properly if you won't play nicely. Fine.
Oh, shit, it's so
I'll give
intimate
you an
games.
exit.
Sonic DXCs.
Just jump away from her end. You'll be with your parents. If you want that.
Oh, you just give me doors! Not a window! Ah, they're doomed. Ah, she's doomed. Oh, I see his eyes. What's happening? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I did look also on my screen.
You're alone too.
No, I'm not. I'm not alone. Ah! Oh my God, is it alone? Is he gone? Oh my gosh, that's real creepy. Yeah, I'm not to be alone anymore. Alright, that's the end of the video. So that's a really scary day. Ruined the childhood of the Cat in the Hat. But basically, here they came into my babysitter. They came in the house and they named Emily, the Cat in the Hat. But meantime, they're to play hide and seek, and then Candy knows them. They got trapped with his parents. We got trapped with his parents. And meantime, they were to play hide and seek, and then they were to call 911 because it wasn't a trick of the telephone. In the meantime, they would play rock, paper, scissors for it, and then they got her, and then they're doomed. And then I'm not alone anymore. They ruined the childhood. But basically, that's where the horror and a long horror episode. No, not episode. The video. So that's just really good because basically, I'm never gonna be alone anymore because I'm gonna make cheer up right now. So I'm gonna make her watch to see Cat in the Hat movies, but it's a really good movie. So like and share for more. Don't forget to hit thumbs up on this video. So subscribe for more. Hit the bell. Like and see more for Email Joker 100 on Twitch, YouTube Gamings. Hope you enjoyed these videos again. So thank you guys for watching these videos. So thanks to Hunter Sword Gaming and Jacob White. See a Cat in the Hat and long horror videos on reaction and vlogging on these videos. I'll see you next one. Peace. And I see you on Twitch on tonight. On 8 o'clock, Fortnite, Rover video rides. Sonic the Hedgehog. Peace.